My name is Joe Guerrera and I know fish. And today we're going to talk about one of my favorite dishes, softshell crabs. Softshell crab season will be from the end of March until September. So what I want to do right now, I'm going to show you, these have been cleaned. You cut the face off, pull the apron off, you clean underneath here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dredge them in flour. This is Wondra flour. It never clumps. I think the oil is hot and we're ready to go. Besides sauteing them, you can get them deep fried, you can get them in a sandwich. There's different ways of having them, but sauteing is my favorite. I just want them to get a little brown and then I'm going to flip them. About 2 minutes on each side. They're looking really good. Right now, I am going to show you how to cut them and eat them my easy way with my style. So I would pick them up and turn them upside down. I would take the claws off first, like this, and you could eat the claws. Then I would take the bodies, cut them all in half. Now you can see the center, and now you could just cut this in quarters. And now there's 16 pieces from the 4 crabs, which is enough for the camera crew to eat.